Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on automatic translations on Airbnb. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Airbnb app, then go to your profile section, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen, and at the profile section on the account settings menu, you will see the translation tab, and when you tap on it, it's going to open up this very simple tab which says automatically translate the reviews and descriptions written by guests and hosts to English. Turn this feature off if you would like to show the original language. So I think this is a very useful feature. If it's turned on, all your descriptions and reviews are going to show up in English. So it's a unique and general view. Everyone can see it and read it. It's a lot easier and simpler than having all those different reviews in different languages, which wouldn't be that helpful. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.